Well, hello again and welcome to part 3 of this 4-part video series, How to Start an Online Store. If this is the first video you've landed on, I highly recommend just going back to the first video in this series. I wouldn't want you to miss out on all the valuable information that we went through in part 1 and 2. Okay, so as a recap, in part 1, we went through defining your brand, and in part 2, we went through creating and sourcing your product. Okay, so here comes the fun part of this 4-part framework, developing your online store. So the first part in developing your online store is signing up with Shopify. To start off, you want to sign up with a 14-day free Shopify account. You can find a special link in the description box below. This is also the easiest step, as it takes less than 5 minutes to get signed up with Shopify. In step 2, you need to choose and upload your online store theme. Head on over to the Shopify Theme store to check out what's available. Here you'll discover hundreds of free and paid themes that you can upload into your Shopify store. I highly recommend starting with a free theme, as they're perfect for beginners. All of Shopify's free themes are fully customizable, so you can truly make it your own. I'll leave a link to the Shopify theme store below so you can check out what's available. Once you've chosen your theme, you'll then want to upload it into your Shopify store so you can start customizing it, which takes us to step 3, customizing your theme to match your brand. Remember in step 1 when I went through creating a mood board and basic branding for your online store? Well, this is where it all comes together. So with your mood board and your basic branding elements handy, you want to use this as inspiration to customize your online store. Use the colors, text, and images from your mood board and use this to start editing elements and sections within your theme. You'll also want to add in your logo, add your social media links, and customize the overall design of your store to make it truly your own. Step 4 is where you want to set up your store's preferences and settings. Within your Shopify dashboard, you'll want to navigate to your general settings and your store preferences to update it with your business information. I would highly recommend taking your time going through each section to ensure your online store is set up with the correct information about your business. Finally, in step 5, you'll update your product listings with enticing descriptions and product images. So by the time you've reached this point, you'll have created and or sourced the products you're ready to sell in your online store. You'll also have your product mock-ups and your images. Now it's time to take all these pieces and put them together by adding them to your online store. So upload your products with titles, descriptions, images, pricing, variations, and any other information that you need to add to your products. As a bonus tip, be sure to add captivating product descriptions to your products. Product descriptions that go in depth, and you want to add as much information as possible. Don't forget, these people don't have this physical product in their hand. They're searching it online, so just be sure to keep that in mind. Okay, so there we have it, friends, the 3rd part of this 4-part series, developing your online store. If you've dreamed about starting your online store, then be sure to check out my free starter course, Build Your Online Store. It's a 3-part module course that goes through how to sign up with Shopify, how to choose, upload, and customize your theme, and how to set up your online store ready for you to upload your product and work towards making that very first sale. I'll leave a link to the free course in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. In the 4th and final part of this video series, I'll be going through launching your online store, ready for you to make that very first, oh so exciting first sale. You can watch it now by clicking the link on this screen. Okay, bye for now.